So today, my friend Aaron and I, we are visiting the Ocean Park Community Garden with Gary over there. He needs some assistance and some help, some donations. This old cedar wood here, if anybody has any of that sort of thing, he would love to have it so he can build his 6x12 gardens with it. I will be posting some information and links if you would like to help out. I know everybody would love to have a community garden. And you know, the plots would go super fast, but we just need to get him some help to build it. So I will post some info if you'd like to help. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.
The other section there is going to be more of this, with about a third of it going to the schools project.
Do they do like a little garden too?
Yeah, we're setting up one.
Okay.
Oh, for the kids?
Yeah.
I love it.
Kid size and everything, you know, the reach here just for the kid size. It's going to be 18-foot long skinny beds with twice the width here in between them, so they can have plenty of room to move in. There's going to have 9 beds in a row, 18 feet long, so they can divide it up into classes if need be.
Yeah.
And then over on this side here, it's going to be the same measurements, 2 foot deep, 18 foot long. It's going to be a continuous table.
Oh, okay.
With cabinetry underneath.
For like pots and such, or what?
Whatever.
Yeah.
And then everything's going to be fenced in. There will be a tool shed put there. Water supposedly hooked up. Soil brought in to fill up all these beds here when I get them built.
So how are you getting water now, Gary?
There is none.
There is none. That's a problem.
Water is over there.
At the city.
Water is to a box in the ground, but no hydrant. There'll be gardeners here coming and going here that's renting these plots out with knowledge and can be sharing it. I'm going to personally teach canning classes out here in the fall.
Awesome. Okay.
You see? Organized picnics out here.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
You see? But
We just need to get it. We need the startup materials to get it going.
I've got no more boards to build with.
Right.
You see?
Yeah.
That's what's got to be done first.
Okay.
I've got to get.
Is it just cedar, or can you accept other? Or
We cannot use pressure treated.
Okay.
Okay, for an obvious reason, it leaches into the soil.
Yep.
And weathered cedar is perfect. It's beyond the cedar oil stage.
Uh huh.
It's long lasting,
Yep.
practically rot proof. And regular boards will start rotting away, chunks of them will start falling away, stuff like that. This one here, I got out here, measured everything out with stakes and lines and stuff like that, and then carved all of this stuff out of here.
Uh huh.
You know, there's let's see, what is it, 25 here. There's going to be 20 there plus the school sections. There's 45 right there, but I can't get into that yet. I've got to get the water hydrant up there and then run plumbing all the way over there. All right, the basket case greenhouse, I picked up a donated potting bench. They're putting a ceramic tile garden motif on it.
Okay.
Okay, that's coming down to it. They donated some tools, some hoses.
Nice.
There's a local artist group over here that's going to paint us a big formal sign when we get everything going here. I'm going to put a bulletin board on it with a weatherproof cover to drop down here so gardeners can do stuff with, you know, keep messages within here. All right, across the back here, like I said, that big that tool shed there. We're going to have a potting bench here. We're going to have a couple of these. We got to have 4 of these benches and everything here for people to sit down. All right, it's going to be a deer-proof fence set up here. I've been working on this thing constantly, and now I've run out of wood.
And what were you? A 501.
501c is a charitable nonprofit.
And that's what you guys are?
I formed that over here, and I've got the what is it? I had to form a corporation, which is the Ocean Park Community Garden. It's the South Pacific County Community Foundation. Have you ever heard of them?
I think I've seen them on Instagram.
They have, the only kind of grants they work with is let's see, crowdfunding. Now there is a crowdfunding one on there, and it's been on there for a while, and there's 50 bucks there.
Okay.
So do you have a dollar amount though? Like what would it cost?
There's a $3,000 one.
3,000.
3,000.
Okay.
And that would cover the rest of the wood that you would need.
The rest of the
Plumbing.
like I said, not maybe on the plumbing.
Okay.
If I had to buy the plumbing myself and do this stuff, worked into that stuff, maybe that $3,000, it would probably do it.
Okay. And we can find that crowdfunding on their site?
Oh yes.
Okay.
Tag name.
So if I'm gonna put this out on Facebook and ask for people's help, what would be the biggest? Would it be the crowdfunding link to donate? Would that be the biggest help for you?
Well,
and donation of some cedar boards?
cedar boards or the money to buy the cedar boards.
Okay.